Hey guys, welcome to my YouTube channel. Holy roots. What are we going to do with this head? Well, I'll tell you what we're going to do. We are going to turn her into a majestic princess. A magenta princess, in fact. So what she wants is the goal is to make it blended and grow out. So here we go. Here we go. Hey everybody, welcome to Hair Tunes, raw, real, and diverse hair education, tips, and tricks. Please don't forget to like and subscribe. Okay, guys, so we are starting off with the Malibu C Crystal Gel. So I didn't know what was on her hair. I didn't do her hair before. And so we need to remove any minerals and impurities and anything that might be building up on her hair that makes her hair really hard and crispy. And now look how beautiful it is. So she got a full hair resurrection. So this was a 2-day process. So you can tell by 2 different shirts. So she came in one day and look how much her hair moved. So a full hair resurrection is a Malibu C treatment, whether it be crystal gel or CPR. And then I give her a full on OlaPlex standalone treatment afterwards. Now, here's day 2. Now we're going to go in and we are going to use Oligo Pro. And now here I'm applying OlaPlex number 2 on those little tender vittle ends right there. And I'm using my Framar Power Painter brush to feather up. I'm using 20 volume and Oligo Pro, and I am just feathering those pieces up, and I am staggering them throughout her whole head because she wants this very blended and she wants it very easy to grow out. She doesn't want to have any maintenance on this at all. So I am like doing like a brick lay section. I'm always applying OlaPlex number 2 to those sections on the ends, just in case it overlaps, that it will protect it. I do have OlaPlex in my lightener as well. So I'm just deep weaving out that top section so it really gives a really nice blend on the top. I will go and root her as well with her natural color in an acidic gloss, so it just blends things away and will fade off. But just got to take it really easy and just super blendy. So here we're going around the face to give her a bold pop. And we are, again, just feathering it up. I did a little bit of a tease just to pull some of those hairs back to make it blend even more. Working around the face because I do want to see a bold pop of magenta around her face. I do not need to lighten any of her ends. They're already lightened enough. She has the CPR. Anything that's built up on her ends, or the crystal gel, anything that's built up on her ends will not interfere with the deposit of my direct dye. So I'm just working through the front half of the head and creating these bold pieces around the face, teasing it away, blending it through. Laying another foil on top because I don't want to smush it all up in there. Now I'm just going to work the other side again, just kind of like mirroring what I did. Now I'm going to work on the sides and then I'm going to work through the top, again laying that OlaPlex number 2 on the ends just to protect it. Sometimes I butter my boards, and this is before I found my sweet little Amber in Australia, so I am using another person's board who I'm not going to mention because I find that Amber's boards are the best, and you guys should buy Amber's boards, and the link is in the description. So now I'm going to base her with Oligo Pro Calura Gloss, which is an acidic demi, and it's very gentle on the hair. I just want to blend away anything that's there because, like I said, she wants it very blendy. It will lightly blend away her grays, but it will fade off in 18 to 22 washes. I'm using my Olivia Garden blender brush, which I do like, but lately, these days, I've just been using my wet brush, and I really like that, my Framar one, because I love that one. That one's my favorite. She does have a little bit of an undercut there, because she did have a metric shit ton of hair, and I don't blame her for shaving the underneath of her hair, because she had so much hair, and this was like 2 years ago, like right after the pandy. As you can tell, we had masks on. So again, I'm working my way back in my videos all the way over. And guys, I am starting to build quite the library of content. So I would love it if you guys watched it all. And if you do like my content, please don't forget to like and subscribe and watch all my long format content because I need watch hours like nobody's business. So now I am bringing this forward to create depth behind those front pieces. Creating depth will give the illusion of brightness. I also, again, wanted to grow out seamlessly So we're just going to let this process for about 20 minutes. Now, after this is done processing, this is when I'm going to do her OlaPlex number 2 treatment. I always do OlaPlex because direct dyes stay better when you have a great canvas for it to stick on. When you have a shitty canvas and there's nothing for the color molecule to hang on to, then you are not going to have longevity in your vivid color. So just remember that. So I do comb it through just to give it a beautiful blend. So now we're going to process that. Like I said, do OlaPlex number 2. Now I'm going to apply the vivid color. Now, these are direct dyes, guys, and dyes directly go in and directly go out, which means you need to pre-lighten your canvas. So I am pre-lightening my I pre-lighten my canvas, and so the color molecule just sits on the outside of the hair. It will penetrate the inside of the hair because I did pre-lighten it. There is no oxidation required with this. I do not mix it with any developer. What you see is what you get. What comes out of the tube is what goes on the hair. Your underlying pigment, as you can see the yellow, is a contributing factor to the final result of the color. That is super important, guys. That is a hot tip, hot information. And as you can see, there is still some gray hairs in there, and that is exactly what she wanted. She did not want them all washed away. I do comb through my colors. I did use 2 different colors in the Vivid. It's very hard to tell. There's slight shifts of different colors, but I don't like to give a little bit of different tonality. You really don't see it in the pictures or videos, but up close you see the different shift just to give it more depth. So just working these colors through, I do roll the brush side to side because it does roll the hair in my hands side to side. And then when you comb it, you can see if you missed any spots in the hair. And you'll see if I do go back over it because I saw that there was a spot that I did miss. I do mush it between my fingers back and forth as well. Now I am applying it to the rest of the hair. On the sides, in the front, it is like nothing rocket scientist-y about this, guys. It's just application over the pre-lightened hair. I do put OlaPlex number 1 in all of my mixes because it's like no oxidation required for these colors, like I said. So there is no effect on the hair. It does not hurt the hair. So basically it's like giving it a free treatment. Now, everybody's like, well, don't you need to use number 2 afterwards? No, number 2 is a diluted version of number 1. So number 1 is just straight up OlaPlex. There is nothing, no cream base or anything. That's why we usually mix it with water in there to dilute it some more. So it is a-okay to do it that way. We're just going to continue working it through the rest of the hair as we work it through the back and just working again through side to side, combing it through. We let this process for about 25 minutes. We will rinse it. We do not wash this with soap or shampoo. We only rinse it with very, very cold water, and we condition and then blow dry and style right away. Here's the before again, guys. Holy roots. Just wait for it. Wait for it. Oh, my God. Look at those roots. They were like heinous. And here it is. Bada boom, bada bang. Guys, look how absolutely beautiful this is. If you guys like and enjoy my content, please don't forget to like and subscribe. And don't forget to hit the ding dong. Of course, hit the ding dong. Guys, the link is in the description. I am located in Schaumburg, Illinois. It's about a half an hour outside of Chicago, or 3 hours if there is traffic. The link, again, is in the description. And thanks again for watching, guys. I hope y'all have a great day. Bye.